In this video, I will show you how to resolve double typing on your Logitech G316 X keyboard. So first of all, you're gonna have to locate the double typing letter or character on your keyboard, then unplug your keyboard from your computer, and then use a tool like this to remove your keys. So unfortunately we don't have such tool in the box of this keyboard, but you can buy it separately. I think they're highly available on the internet. Usually go with some spare keycaps if you buy some. Now after that, we're gonna have to carefully remove the malfunctioning key. Let's say that it's this one. Now to do that, we have to catch the key like this using this wider part of the tool, and then we have to slightly pull it while holding the keyboard down. If you are careful, you'll be able to pull the keycap without touching the switch, but we're gonna have to take the switch as well. To do that, we have to use this part. So expand it and try your best to catch the switch like this. Carefully remove it, and after that you're gonna have to check the contacts of your switch. So if you have isopropyl alcohol, you can actually use it to clean the switches, and also if you have compressed air, then you can use it to clean the this switch stem, to blow out any trapped dust or hair that could be here. And then simply replace your key. Make sure to align it properly. Oops. Make sure to align the contacts, because if you misalign them, you might accidentally bend them. You have to place your switch like this, and then use two of your fingers from both sides to push it inside, and then apply your keycap. Okay, so this is one solution, but maybe you have the same issue based on the outdated firmware, for example. So in such case, we're gonna have to plug in the keyboard again, and the first thing that we can do is go to our G Hub application, select our keyboard right here, then go to general settings of our keyboard and check whether we have firmware updates. And if you don't see it here, maybe first you should check the updates for your G Hub application, which you can do by returning back to this dashboard, selecting gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, and go into updates section on the sidebar, check in for updates, and seeing whether you have some. And if you do have an update, then of course download it and install it, then restart your computer to apply changes, and as the last resort thing that you can do on your computer, you can open the start menu, search for control panel, then here search for keyboard, open your keyboard, and here you can adjust the repeat rate. Basically just make it slower by a couple of points, and then click and hold the button to see the delay. Basically the slower you set it to, the longer will be the delay, and this would be the last resort solution to your issue. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.